With the advanced technology they're having by now. So I'm going to give you some simple instruction. You can just download it straight on your mobile devices and iOS devices. So you can go on with iPhone 5, 5S, 6, 6S, 7, 7 Plus, 8, even those for the new version of XR, XS, and also XS Max. So basically you just need to just go onto your setting and you check what devices that you are. My version was 12.1.1, which was known as the newest version of the iOS 12. So just a simple one, you just go inside to Safari and you go on to iEmulator, which I was in now. Just click on it, press go, and it will take some time. So basically you just scroll all the way down. There you go, down. And there's a two section of it. Just click on the iPhone X version. So here you go, GBA for iOS 2.1. I ready test 2. Just click on the install GBA for iOS. So it's gonna take some time, so just don't worry about it. Click on the install, give you some time to load, and voila. Well, meanwhile, you just try to just scroll on some other apps or anything, because it takes some time to install. Well, after you're done with the install, so basically you're going to face up something called untrusted app. This kind of notification just pop up. So just scroll back, setting, and originally it's going to appear for this page. Go to general, profile, this Jiangxi Microblock Technologies. All you gotta do is just trust that it's no virus, so just click on it just to verify the application. So you go all the way back, try on the app, and boom, you back to the game. So until here, you're going to press allow, and yep, welcome to GBA for iOS. So after you download for this GBA for iOS emulator, I know that you guys will be curious to ask where to find out the Pokemon games or anyways for the cartridge for the Game Boy early. So basically you just go to Safari again, right here. Go, just make it much simple. So there are a few websites, but I would recommend you just to go on with Emu Paradise. Yep, this one. Just let it load, and yep. So right here you can just download a bunch of games, maybe more than just a bunch. So like an example, I just try to search for Pokemon. Then there's all the game it will load up here. So it may take sometimes to load because some other apps or anything. But if you don't want to go on with Emu Paradise, you still have another kind of options. So you just basically just type GBA, Pokemon, I mean for this website, for emulator games. So here you go, Pokemon Emerald version. So if you mention download now or play game online, just click on the download now. So your download is starting in 7 seconds, so it's not going to be long. Just wait for a while, and yep, click to start, and it will appear something like this. Just open in GBA for iOS, and just let it some time to download. So it will mention the file already exists. So that's all. Oh, by the way, sometimes you will have this kind of application of advertisement will appear. So just ignore it as well, because this is a beta version, like I said. So sometimes it will crash or anything like this thing, it will appear. So you just come out, close the app, and let it start all over again. But as soon as this, mostly the app will appear back. Yep, here you go, Pokemon Emulator, and the app just try to block it again. Thanks Shopee. So to let you guys try, it's working fine, I guess. And yep, here you go, Pokemon Emulator. So thanks anyway guys, I hope you guys like my video. If you guys like it, just put your thumbs up, just like this on the screen that I show. But if you guys don't like my video, just comment down below, tell me what's the problem. So anyway, catch you guys soon in the future, and peace out.